Hello folks, and welcome to the Great Outdoors RV Company. My name is Tom, and today we're going to be talking about the brand new 2018 WILDWOOD 32BHI. So the WILDWOOD 32BHI is a brand new floor plan from WILDWOOD this year. It's the #1 selling travel trailer in the aluminum sided class. And the reason for that is because they're just making improvements every year. Every year that we have been selling these coaches, they've always come out with some upgrades. Some of the upgrades that you're going to see in this coach are going to be a redesigned interior. You're going to have the heated holding tanks, backup camera, of course the new floor plan on this one, which is a bunk model, and this one's also going to feature an outside kitchen for you as well. One of the other things that you'll notice too on this particular coach is the aluminum steps up into the coach. So this travel trailer bunkhouse, it's a big coach, folks. The dry weight on this coach is 9,213 pounds, and fully loaded, that's with all of your gear, water, food, and clothing on board, it's going to GVWR out at 11,292 pounds. And in case some of you guys were wondering, the tank sizes, so the fresh water is going to be 40 gallons, the gray water is going to be 65, and your black tank is going to be 30. So this particular coach on the 32BHI is going to offer an outside kitchen. You'll notice that it's got some cabinetry here, hot and cold water faucet that's actually going to go into a drain system for you. And then it's also going to have a 110 refrigerator, what I call a dorm style type of refrigerator. And it's going to also come with a backup grill for you as well. Not a backup grill, but a cooking grill for you. You'll notice up here as well that you're going to have the backup camera, which is what I was leading to next. And this is pre-wired, so if you want to put a backup camera on here, we definitely sell those. We have them. We can put them on the coach for you if that's a feature that you definitely want to go with. So this coach has a lot of features on the outside, and one of the cool things about WILDWOOD as far as how they like to set up their coaches is you can actually pretty much set up this whole thing with a remote control. Now this remote control is going to allow you to bring down your stabilizers, it's going to kick out your slide outs, and it's also going to deploy your awnings as well. And you'll notice on this one it's got 2 awnings on this particular coach, so you're going to have a lot of shade area if you need it. As we're coming through this way, you're going to notice 2 marine grade outside speakers. You do have an additional 110 outlet here as well, and this one's also pre-wired for a Furrion solar panel system. So if you want to use this plug and play system, it's a great feature to have, especially if you're dry camping. So the length on this coach is actually going to be about 37 feet 6 inches. So as I described before in the beginning of the video, this is a big camper, but I think once we get inside and you see some awesome features in there, you're gonna know that this is the right one for your family. You have a power tongue jack on this guy. Have a docking light here. Now this one has 220 LP bottle that comes with it. Of course, they give you the bigger cover on this particular coach, so you can always upgrade to 2 30-pounders if you'd like. You're going to get a brand new 12-volt deep cycle marine grade battery with the purchase of the camper. This will be your water heater here. Now this coach comes with 50 amp service, folks. That's right, a travel trailer with 50 amp service. This one has 2 air conditioners on board, one in the main compartment and then one in the bunkhouse for you. This will be your potable water fill up. So when you go on your trips for dry camping, you just fill this little guy up for your 40 gallons. This will be your big slide out for your bunk side. And then let's not forget your cable hookups. So if you guys decide that you want to hook up cable and satellite, those are located right here. Your city water location is going to be right here, and of course you're going to also get a spare tire. All right, let's check out some features inside. All right, right, well, welcome inside the new and improved WILDWOOD 32. Again, this is a brand new floor plan from WILDWOOD, and as you can see, they're actually doing this interior that you see is going to be something that you see on all the WILDWOODs that are be coming out to you here at the location in 2018. You'll notice just really quick on some of the things that they've changed. They changed the richer cabinet look in here. They went with some different grab handles, so you get a richer cabinet type of material. Your floor is a little bit more richer. Of course, you have the darker interior type of couches and recliner chairs along with the booth dinette. And then one of the other things that you're also going to notice too is they cleaned up the window treatments for you. So this is just a pull down shade that you'll notice that you'll get on all the windows for the most part. So a little bit more flashier in these newer models, and man, this floor plan just really pops. In the kitchen here, you're going to get the stainless steel appliance package. You'll have a 3-burner stove. You'll notice the big island that you have here with the double sink. Of course, I call this the industrial faucet right here because you can kind of spray your partner here, Octavio. So a lot of cool things going on in here. Microwave, got a lot of cabinets that you'll see in here as well. And as we go over here, this one is going to feature a fireplace, boys and girls. They don't want to, they don't want to skip on anything in this particular coach. So this will run off electricity, so you do need to be plugged into power or running off of a generator to work the fireplace. Doesn't come with a TV, but you can definitely get one, and that location will go right here. You're also going to have a Furrion radio system. It's actually a USB, and then a lot of this is Bluetooth ready now, so you can play multiple songs off from your Bluetooth phone, and AM FM radio. You can control your speakers from this location as well. So lots of cool things going on in this particular new coach. Now I'm going to show you the bunkhouse in this coach because I think you're going to love it. If you don't want to use it as a bunkhouse, you can definitely turn it into maybe an office or something like that. All right, so big, spacious bunkhouse. You'll notice that it's got a pull-out ladder for you so that the little kiddos can get up there and they're not going to hurt themselves. You get more cabinet space underneath here. More pull-down shades for the windows, of course. This is your second air AC that you're going to have in the coach back here. And then, of course, the couch will lay flat to turn into a bed for you. And then you're going to also have the upper bunk that also flips up, locks into place. So if you want to put people back here so they can watch TV or whatever, they can definitely do that. These recliners are super comfy, and you can lean all the way back on these particular guys. Again, a nice rich leather interior that you're going to have. You'll have the booth dinette. This will also drop into a sleeping area for you too, so if you need that additional sleeping space, you can definitely do that with this. Let's go out, check out the bedroom and the bathroom. So the bathroom in the 32 is very spacious. You got the radius corner shower here with the glass doors. Obviously, me being 6'2", I got plenty of room being in here. I can, definitely turn around if I need to. You're going to have a medicine cabinet. You'll have a sink here, both hot and cold water feature, GFI breaker on the 110. You'll have a place for your toothbrushes. You'll have more cabinet space up underneath the sink. Your foot flush toilet's going to be right here in the corner. And then let's not forget the extra room that WILDWOOD has put in this camper with the cabinets here for all those extra linens that you may have. So the master bedroom is going to offer you a lot of features. First of all, on the WILDWOOD, as far as what they do, everybody asks me, what's this little cubby hole for? Well, when you kick off your shoes, they go right up underneath the bed, and that way you're not tripping over them in the coach like a lot of coaches. They don't even offer a place to put your shoes. Notice through the pass-through storage, you can lift the bed up, and you can gain access to that if you'd like. The mattresses, they've gone to a Denver blend mattress, so this is a Denver mattress. So super comfy, very nice to sleep on. You'll have a double wardrobe on each side of the bed. You'll have a space for a TV. And then of course, this one's got a laundry chute as well, right there. Okay, so thanks for spending a few minutes on the WILDWOOD 32BHI. Really enjoyed having you here with me. If you have any questions on this coach, you can definitely give me a call at 970-313-4337 or email if that works better for you. My email is tom@thegreatoutdoorsrv.com, and hopefully, because it's warming up, camping season's coming, I'll see you on my lot very soon. Take care.